Okay, dear, good morning. Now, today we are going to start our next topic. Before starting the topic, dear, I want to revise what were the point yesterday we have discussed. Yesterday we have discussed about the population. What is the difference between the population growth and population change? There are the three factors we have discussed which are responsible for population change. These are the death rate, birth rate, and migration. Through this, when gave difference between the death rate and birth rate, both are responsible for the population change. If any area's population change, it depend on the birth rate and death rate, and another one is the migration also. So today we'll discuss also in details about migration and birth rate and death rate. Another one we'll discuss about the what type of quality population should be inside nation. If there are two nations which have the same quality or same quantity of population, same size of population like a Japan and Bangladesh, but why Japan is more developed than the Bangladesh today we'll discuss. Okay, and what point we have discussed yesterday, we have discussed uneven distribution of population. We have discussed 90% populations are living on the 30% land area of the world, and there are 10 countries which has the 60% population of the world. 10 countries name are China, India, USA, Indonesia, Brazil, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Nigeria, Russia, and Japan. These are the 10 countries given in your book also on page number 63. These are point we have discussed. We have discussed another how the government are playing the important role for develop their human resources. So government has the established a human resources development ministry department in 1985 to develop their skills. And another one program PKVY we have discussed Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana was launched in 2015, and target is to create the 1 crore population as a skilled labor. To convert a skilled labor to give the training to the 1 crore population from the 2016 to 20. That is the target. 2016 to till 2020, 1 crore population should be skilled. Means their skills should be developed through the training. That is the PKVY Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana. So these are the point we have discussed yesterday. And another one point we have discussed which factor are responsible for population change, which factor responsible for population location where people want to live. So we have discussed geographical factor, cultural factor, economical factor, and social factor. Today we will discuss about the population change. How the population change? You know, simple population change is based on the death rate and birth rate. What is the death rate? 1000 newborn baby from the 1000. What is the birth rate? That is the newborn baby number. That is the birth rate. Death rate from the 1000. How many people died? That is known as the death rate. So difference between the birth and death rate, that is known as the population change. So population change, I am drawing the tree diagram, and later on you will give the answer. In condition what happens? So there are three diagrams which are responsible for the population change. In A diagram, death rate is higher than the birth rate. Death rate ratio is the higher than the birth rate. Then what happens here? Population will be increase or decrease. In A diagram, death rate is higher than the birth rate. Then what happens? Population will be increase or decrease?
Decrease.
Decrease.
Correct answer, decrease. Population will be decrease on of particular area. Okay, good. A answer. In B diagram, birth rate and death rate both are stable, equal, approximately. So population will be stable. There will be no changes in population size. And in C diagram, death rate is less than the birth rate. Birth rate is the higher. Then what happens? Population.
Population increases.
Yes. So these are the factors which are responsible for population change. So these are the factors which responsible for population change. If birth rate is higher than the death rate, population will be increased. So today we will discuss from 18th century to 9 till now, what were the reasons why population has increased, death rate has increased or birth rate has increased, and what happens, why the population has increased, we will discuss from. So during the 18th century year, population rapidly increased in slowly. Why? Too slowly, धीरे धीरे जो rate थी, growing rate of population was slow during the 18th century because their birth rate was high and death rate also high. Because birth rate was high, क्यों birth rate high थी during the 18th century? Many people were illiterate. What about the psychology? What about the stereotypes? If number of family, number of children will be higher inside family, so income will be increased. Death rate also high. Why? Because there were no such medical facilities, no such food facilities were available in during the 18th century. There were no such medical colleges, medical hospitals like a such treatment available during that time. So both birth rate and death rate both were the high. That's why population has increased in slow manners, in slow process during the 18th century. Another one, what happens after a few years, in 1804, population has increased till 1 billion. World population has increased till 1 billion. So after 1959, after a few years, what happens? During the 1959, population has increased the 3 billion. From 1814, after 18th century, 1959 population has increased the 3 billion and this known as the population explosion. Population explosion means जनसंख्या विस्फोट. अब ये क्यों हुआ? Why this happens? Which were the reasons? Which were the causes which are responsible for population explosion? During that time, there what happens? Birth rate was the high. But death rate was the low. Why? Because birth rate was the high, but death rate was the low during the death time because due to the medical facilities, proper fruits were available, our farmer were able to grow the proper fruits or like a crops. So they are getting the proper nutrition food, medical facilities as increased. That's why death rate is controlled. Death rate is controlled compared with the बर्थ रेट इतनी कंट्रोल नहीं हुई जितनी डेथ रेट कंट्रोल हो गई. That's why population is increased suddenly. This is known as the population explosion. And after a few years, 1999, after 40 years, population is increased 6 billion. Population has increased the 6 billion. So this was the history of the population which has increased in recent years from 18th century to till 19th century dear. So you know dear, how to we calculate, how to the population change happens. Take an example, if 1000 person, 100 people, 100 newborn babies are take a birth, that is known as the birth rate. Okay, or suppose thousands of people, 50% are dying, death हो जाती है, that is known as the death rate. So we calculate through like 100 people, 100 newborn babies है, birth rate है, it means birth rate is the 10% and death rate 58, it means the 5% death rate है. So difference between the birth rate and death rate, if birth rate is higher than the death rate, population will be increased. If death rate is higher than the birth rate, population will be decreased. So population will be increased 5%. So earlier population was 1000 for example any one area. So it will be increased 5%. 1050 will be population. There will be changes in population. So these are the factors which are responsible for population change. These are the birth rate and death rate. And what are the reasons why these both are controlled? Because birth rate also controlled by the government. Government has decided if anyone family have the more than 2 children, anyone parents, so such person can't stand for the election, such person can't apply for the government job. That's why population has control. Government has started the different programs to control the population. But due to the population has control, no doubt, population has control. But at the same time, death rate is also controlled due to the good medical facilities. Due to the good medical facility, death rate also controlled. That's why population are increasing. That's why population are increasing during the death time. क्योंकि बर्थ रेट तो कंट्रोल हो गई, सेम टाइम डेथ रेट आल्सो कंट्रोल, डेथ रेट भी कंट्रोल हो गई है. क्यों? ड्यू टू द गुड मेडिकल फैसिलिटी. That's why population is increased. So these are the factors which are responsible for population change, birth rate and death rate. Apart from the birth rate and death rate, another one factor is the migration. Migration also. Migration may be at the population of any area. Migration are two types. In migration and out migration. Where any one person may be enter inside the any city, towns, region, state, country, that is known as the in migration, or anyone living the any area, that is known as the out migration. So if in a nation where the population was 1050 and 100 people is in migrate in that area, the population will be increased. If 100 people come through the in migration in that area, so 100 plus 1050 population will be increased. If 50 people are leaving the area out migration, so population will be minus out migration when we minus the population from the total population. That is known as the out migration. And in migration, when anyone may be entered for inside the cities for the job, for the good health, for the education, that is known as the in migration. When anyone is leaving the any particular area, that is known as the out migration. So you know, in a world, Sudan, a country where population is decreased due to the out migration. In Sudan, out migration is higher than compared to the in migration. So we will discuss about the Sudan also in this. Okay. So these are the another one factor which responsible for population size or population change. So there are three factors we have discussed. One is the death rate, birth rate, and third one is the migration. Okay, dear. अब मुझे so there we have discussed about the in migration and out migration. When a person may be leave the country, that is known as the out migration, and when a person may be enters in a new nation, that is known as the in migration. So Sudan is the nation which where is the out migration is higher. That's why Sudan population has decreased. Another one nation like a USA, UK, Canada are the such nation where the most of people enter inside that nation in search of job, in search of medical facilities, for a education, for training purpose. In these nations, in migration is higher. Okay, so these are the nation example is given. Another one factor is the natural growth rate. And what is the actual growth rate? Natural growth rate and actual growth rate. What is the natural growth rate? If any one area's population early time is 1000, okay, and in this area death rate is the birth rate is 20% and death rate 10%. Yeah. अगर death rate इस area in such nation is 10% and birth rate is the 20. Difference between the birth rate and death rate, population will be increased. 10% population will be increased. Because due to the difference between the birth rate and death rate, birth rate is 20%. इसका it means the 200 newborn baby. 10% है 200 newborn baby हो गए. 20% means and death rate 10% है. It means कितने people died in a year? 100. So difference between the both 100 population will be increased, or in other words we can say 10%. 10% तो वेरिएशंस आया, तो यू नो नेचुरल ग्रोथ रेट इज द 10%. It is known as the natural growth rate. When a population increase, it is known as the natural growth rate per year. In per year, 10% population will be increased. That is known as the natural growth rate. Okay? And 100 people after a year, in place of 1000, number of people कितने हो जाएंगे? Will add the 100, 1100 हो जाएंगे. After 1 year. After 1 year. Okay? So what is the actual growth rate? ACPUA, actual growth rate. Actual growth rate means the actual number of population changes. So actual growth rate कितने परसेंट आए? 100%. 100% is the actual growth rate. So you know difference between the natural growth rate and actual growth rate. Natural growth rate is the in 100%. Difference between the birth rate and death rate, that is the natural growth rate. But in really number of population is increased. Number of population is increased. Suppose 100% is increased in that area, that is known as the actual growth rate. Actual growth rate मतलब रियल में कितने परसेंट की संख्या वहाँ बढ़ी है, तो ये हमें रियल क्वांटिटी दिखाता है, that is the 100. So that is the topic we have covered today. Population change through 3 factors: death rate, birth rate, migration, and these are the 2 words: actual growth rate and natural growth rate. Okay, dear. If you any doubt, you may be asked.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.